Hi and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 4 of my mixed media advent calendar, and I'm sharing a mixed media tag today. I will give away 3 big stamp sets from Rubber Dance. The winner will be drawn randomly from the video that has the most comments. So for a chance to win, make sure to leave a comment on each video of the 24 Days of Christmas series. I'm starting by collaging some jelly printed deli paper onto a tag. The tag is cut from mixed media cardstock. I use matte medium to glue the papers down. I'm using a stencil from Stamplorations and add some texture paste to the tag. After the paste is dry, I add 3 coats of aqua ground to my tag. Aqua ground is perfect for watercolors. When my tag is dry, I go in with some Brushos. I wet my tag and add in a little bit of these nice powders. While the tag is drying, I paint the little bird with a little bit of buff titanium acrylic paint from ColourCraft. The birdie is a Sizzix die and I cut 3 of them to stack them together to get more dimension. I use vintage photo distress oxide ink and give the bird a little bit of texture. I want to have some lighter areas on my tag, so I go in with some white gesso. I also add some white splatters with my homemade acrylic ink. I use white acrylic paint for that, and I mix it with water and fluid medium. I want to add more texture to my tag, and I have these leftover from my advent calendar numbers for the kids here, and I just pick a little piece of it and cover it with white gesso. I will add a second layer of gesso, but I decide to use one of my scrap papers so that gesso that is going through the circles is not waste. I use some heavy gel to glue it to the tag. I'm adding some more splatters and a little bit more white. I use my Neocolor crayons to add a little bit of more yellow. Before I add the birdie, I add some gauze and also some thread. I cut my sentiment with the word block die from Holtz. I just used a piece of scrap paper from my stash. For more texture, I picked the thinner beer micro beads and add them with a little bit of gel medium. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment for a chance to win the 3 stamp sets from Rubber Dance. I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye!